위해서 귀한 분이
Today,
오셨는데요.
we have a special
이분은 여러 가지
guest,
별명이 있습니다.
and he has a lot of nicknames.
기부테이너라는 새로운 명칭도 만들어내신 분이죠.
Is a person
항상 뛰는
that does a lot of
연예인이라서
donation,
런예인이라는 별명도
and he
있고
is a
힙합
celebrity
박동이라는 별명도 가진
in Korea,
아주 특별한
and he
분이십니다.
also
한국
have the
컴패션의
successful
션
hip-hop albums.
홍보대사님을 모시겠습니다.
His name
큰
is
박수
Sean, the
부탁드리겠습니다.
sponsor.
네,
Hello,
안녕하세요.
my name is Sean,
한국 컴패션 홍보대사 가수 션입니다.
Korea Compassion Ambassador,
정말
and also the sponsor. A lot of people are here.
저는 컴패션과
Thank you.
2005년도
And in
인연을 맺게 됐고요.
2005, I became a part of it.
5월 달에
In 2008,
필리핀에 가기로
in
약속이
May,
돼 있었습니다.
I was supposed to go to the Philippines.
그 당시
The
컴패션을
reason
통해서
why
6명의 아이를 후원을 하고 있었고요.
I was going there because I was sponsoring the 6 kids.
필리핀에
And
살고
one
있었고,
person was living in the
여자 이름은
Philippines,
클라리즈였습니다.
and she,
그래서 클라리즈를 만나러 제가
her name is
필리핀에 가기로
Clarice. And I was supposed to go to the Philippines, and 2 months of that in
클라리즈에게
March,
편지가 왔습니다.
I got a letter
제가 곧
from
만나러 가기 때문에
Clarice,
너무나 기쁜 마음으로
and I was very
편지를
happy
뜯었고요. 아이가
and
크레용으로
opened the
그림도 몇
envelope,
가지 그렸고
and she
아주 짧게 편지를 썼더라고요.
did a lot of sketching
편지
and
내용이
drawing, and the
I
content of
love you, mommy.
lettering, and she
어디에도 제
she
이름은
said, "I love you,
없었습니다.
mommy, Jung
그래서
Hae-young."
다시 제가 잘 적어서
And I didn't see my name,
편지를 전해줬어요.
And I
그
delivered
편지를
that
받은 제 아내가
to
그걸 읽고는
my
너무나 큰
lovely
감동을
wife.
받았어요. 그 당시 우리 부부가
And that was very
컴패션
touched.
통해서
That was
하나에게
very
한 달에 35,000원을
impressive. And every single month we're sponsoring
원씩 보내주고 있고요.
$35,
35,000원이라는
and
돈은
2010,
그 당시
the
우리
$45
부부에게
every
그렇게
single
부담되는 금액은 그
month.
작은 금액을
And
보내주고 있었는데
Me and my
이 아이가
wife
그거에 너무나
were
감사하고
helping a lot of
감동해서
kids.
얼굴 한번 보지 못한 제 아내에게
And
편지를 써서는
she didn't even
I
see
love you, mommy. 엄마
my
사랑하고
wife. And she told my wife,
2008년 3월이
I
어떤
love you,
시기였냐면
mommy.
우리
I love
첫째
you,
아이가
mom.
태어난 지 26개월,
and
둘째 아이가 태어난 지
I
5개월
have
정도 됐을 때입니다. 아이 둘이
2
너무 어리기
kids.
때문에
And the 2
그
kids
두
at the
어린
time,
아이를 놓고
they're very
엄마가
young.
해외 봉사 가기란
So she
불가능합니다.
couldn't go to
그런데
the business
제
trip,
아내가
the
그
Korea
편지를
Compassion
읽고는 제게
business
이렇게
trip.
그랬습니다.
And she told me after reading the letter,
하나님께서 우리 가정에 선물로 주신
because
하나님의
of this
너무나
situation
귀한 우리
and
아이들이지만
personal situation,
우리가 컴패션을 통해서
we have to go
여섯
there.
명의
And
자신을
6
마음이라고
kids
부르는 클라리즈
through
또한
compassion,
너무나 귀한 우리 아이라고 그 아이를 만나러
Clarice,
자신이 직접
and
필리핀에 가야 되겠다라고 그래서 두
she
어린
wanted
아이를
to go to
혼자
the
맡기고
Philippines.
떠났습니다.
And I was taking care of
뒤로 가고요.
2
제 아내
kids.
필리핀에 갔어요.
And my wife went to the
첫날
Philippines.
클라리즈를 만났는데
And she
아이가
met
너무나
Clarice.
밝고 행복해
And she was
보였어요.
very bright.
다음 날은
and she was
클라리즈
very
집을
happy.
찾아갔습니다.
And
너무나 열악한 상황에서
she
살고
found a
있었어요.
home.
계곡이
Clarice
이렇게
home.
있는데 중간에 판자로
And there was
지어져 있고요.
alley and there was
정말
small
작은
creek.
공간에서 6식구가 살고
And
있었고 집에
6
들어갔다
of the
나왔다
family
하는데
members were living
rop을
inside
붙잡고 왔다 갔다 해야
of the
되고
small house.
그런 열악한 상황에서
And
살고
there
있는
were ropes
클라리즈인데
everywhere
우리 부부의 작은 후원을
and
통해
didn't even have the
이 아이가
proper
매일마다 컴패션 센터에 가서
facilities.
먹고
And
공부도 하고
she went
의료도 받고
to the
정말
compassion
좋은
center and had the medical care
예수 그리스도의 사랑을 알아가면서
and
꿈과
had the
희망이
proper
생겼다는 거예요.
training.
한 달에 35,000원이라는
And
돈으로
every
지금
single month
45,000원
we were
한
sponsoring
아이에게
her
꿈과 희망을 선물할 수
$35 and
있다는
now
게
it's
제 아내에게
$45.
큰 감동으로 다가왔습니다.
And that's
며칠
still
동안 필리핀에서
impressive
끝나고 다시
till
한국으로
this day.
돌아왔어요.
And after the
그
Philippines,
당시 우리
the
부부에게
business trip,
작은 꿈이 있었습니다. 내 집
and we
마련.
came back to
그래서
Korea.
그 꿈을 위해서
We
열심히
wanted to
살고
buy
있었고요. 모자른
our
돈을
own
은행에서
house,
빌려서라도
and we
집을
wanted
빨리
to take
사자.
out a loan and buy.
근데 제 아내가 필리핀에
our home.
갔다 와서는
And
제게
after
이렇게 얘기를 했습니다.
She came back from the
내 집 마련의
Philippines.
꿈을 잠시
She
뒤로
said
하고
to me,
100명의 아이들에게
We
꿈을 주는 걸로
"We'll
대신하고
help
싶다고. 그래서 2008년
100 more
5월달에 컴패션을
kids."
통해서
And
100명의 아이를
2008,
품게 됐고요.
through
저는
compassion,
102명의
we were
아이들의
helping
아빠가 됐습니다.
100 more
후원하는
kids,
100
and
명
now
컴패션
we're
아이들 중에
helping
6명이 IT에 살고
102 kids
2010년 1월
in the world,
12일
and
IT에
2
큰
out of
지진이
my
있었어요.
kids
얼마 전에 또
were living in
있었는데
the Haiti. And there,
지진이 있고
also,
나서
as you
제가
know,
후원하는
there's a
6명의 IT 아이들 중에
huge earthquake
유독 한 명이
in the Haiti,
생사가 확인이 안 되는 거예요.
and one of
그래서
my
많이
kids
걱정을 하고
who I
기도를
was
하고 있었는데 2개월
sponsoring
정도 지나서 컴패션에서
I couldn't
연락이 왔어요.
contact him
찾았다고
and
살아있다고.
contact the person.
그래서 며칠 후에
And
IT 공항이
I
열리자마자
received a call
제가
from the
그 아이를
Haiti,
만나러 IT까지 찾아갔습니다.
and the person was
정말
alive.
감사하게
And I went
IT는
to Haiti,
건강하게
and my
있었고요.
kid,
근데 IT를
healthy.
바라보면서
and
너무나 폐허가
Aitin
된
was a
그
person's
모습을 보면서
and
정말
I
꿈이
was
없을 것
looking
같아요.
around the places
그런데 그
that
꿈이 없을 것
earthquakes
같은
hit
IT에서
in
가장
Haiti.
기억에 남는
And
한 아이가
what I
있었어요.
remember
말리라는
from Haiti,
여자인데
Mali,
그 아이의 집이
and
너무
her
정말
house was very
상상이
small,
안 될 정도로 많이
and
망가졌다고. 그래서
I
컴패션
couldn't even imagine a
센터에서부터
house like
그
that.
아이
And
집,
from
살고 있었던
Compassion
집까지 한
Center,
200m 정도 거리를
at about
함께
200
손을
meters,
잡고
and I
걸어갔습니다.
hold her hand and went to
그
her
장소에
house.
도착했더니
And
정말
when we got
지붕이
there,
폭삭,
we
집이 폭삭
arrived
주저앉았어요.
her house.
아무것도 남지
She didn't
않고
have enough ceiling
너무나 마음이 아프더라고요.
and proper facility,
그리고 또 그 아이가 지금 살고 있는
and it was very
텐트
hurtful. And now
거기까지 한
she's
100m
living in
정도
a
거리를
tent
함께 손을
in
잡고
about 100
걸어가셨습니다.
meters. And
지금
we
살고
went to the
있었던
tent
그 당시 살고
that
있었던
she's living
텐트에
in.
들어가 봤더니
And we went
그냥
inside the
흙바닥에
tent,
부서진
and there is
벽돌 몇
sand
개를 이렇게
everywhere,
놓고 그렇게 생활을 하고 있었어요.
and broken bricks everywhere.
정말 너무나 열악한
I couldn't
상황이에요.
believe her
그런데
current
나중에
situation.
컴패션 스텝이
And
저에게
Compassion
감동적인 말을 전해줬습니다.
employee told me
그 말리라는 여자아이가
that Mali
제가 텐트에 들어간 후에
was very
컴패션
happy
스텝에게
that you
이렇게
came.
얘기했다고.
And Mali
저
told
백인이
Compassion,
자기를 많이
employee,
사랑해 주는 것 같다고.
and she
저
thinks
백인은
that I love
바로
her
접니다.
a lot. And that's me.
IT에서는 저를 백인이라고 표현을 하는 것 같고요.
In Haiti, a lot
제가
of
말리에게
people,
해준 거는 단지 한
giving me
300m
respect.
정도 거리를
and
손을 꼭 붙잡고
what I did to Mali,
기도하면서 걸어가는
what I
것뿐입니다.
did, I held her hand, and all I did,
사랑은
that I
표현하는
walked to
방법이
her
정말
house.
다양하지만
And there are many
때로는
expressions that you
하나의
love
힘든 삶
someone.
속에서 그
And
아이의 손을 꼭
sometimes
붙잡고
all you have to
함께
do
걸어가 주는
is
거예요.
hold the person's hand and
2015년
walk
1월
together.
12일이 IT 지진이 있은 지 1년 되는
In
날이었어요.
2011,
제가 기사를 검색해 봤어요. IT
I
관련된.
saw an article
이런 제목이 많이
about
떴어요.
Haiti
IT는
earthquake.
아직 재앙이 진행 중.
And in Haiti,
1년이
more
지났습니다.
earthquakes will
어떤
come
기사를
and come. A
봤더니
year
1년
later,
사이에 3,000명이 넘는 IT
about
사람들이 콜레라는 병 때문에 죽었다.
3,000 people had died
너무
from
열악하고 어려운 상황인
the
거예요.
cholera
그런데
disease.
그곳에 아직도
And
제가 후원하는
because of the
6명의
situation like that, so many people
그중에
were
한 명은
suffering, and
죽은지 알았던 우리
5 or
팬
6 of my
그래서
kids
2011년
who I'm
1월 12일
sponsoring are
IT의
living
또
there.
작은 희망
And
그리고
also-
사랑을 전하고자 100명의 IT 아이들 손을 잡아주기 시작했습니다.
And I started to help
그래서 저는
100 more
200명의
people,
컴패션
and
아이들을
now I'm helping
돌봐가겠습니다.
200 people.
저
I'm
살면서
sponsoring
저 또한 여러 가지
200
꿈이
people.
있어요.
And I have many
가수로서
dreams.
오랫동안 간직한 꿈이
achieve.
있었습니다.
And as a singer,
1997년
I had many
데뷔해서
things
정말
that I
많은
wanted to
상도
achieve.
받아보고
In
정말 다양한
1997,
곳에서 심지어
I
10만 명 앞에서
got a lot
공연을
of
했고요.
awards,
그런데
rewards,
딱
and awards
가수로서
as
하지
a singer.
못한
And
한
I
가지가
became
있었어요.
famous and
바로 단독
successful.
콘서트.
And one thing that we couldn't
그런데
do
2015년
was a single
12월
concert. And
데뷔한 지 8년
2015,
만에
in 18 years,
그 가수의 꿈 단독
we
콘서트를
had
이루게
the
됐어요.
concert, the single concert.
2015년 12월 13일
I was very
너무나
happy.
정말 들뜬 마음으로 아침에 딱 일어났는데
And I woke up
제가
the
2015년에 봤던 한 영상이
and
갑자기 생각이 났습니다.
2012, I saw a video.
차인표 씨가 아프리카
and
우간다에 갔었던
차인표,
영상인데요. 그
The famous
영상을 잠시
actor. Let's
여러분에게
take a look at the
보여드리겠습니다.
video.
슬럼 마을이죠. 저 돌께서
Hi, my name is Cha Im-pyo, an actor in Korea. This is the Uganda.
Who are these guys?
These ones also work here.
I see.
Children.
I see. Did you go to school today? Why not?
Okay, I'm starting. I'm starting. 12 years.
12 years old. Without going to school, she's been just working here for 5 years. What's your dream?
That she wants to be a doctor.
She wants to be a doctor. Is this little lady her sister?
Oh no, Muganda.
How old is she?
I know Nyaka Maka. She's 2 years. She's 4 years old.
I just know. Aye. What happened? No, 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 no. Let me see. 아유. 여기 비었구나 여기. How do you? Okay. How do you treat yourself when you get cut?
That's it's a natural healing.
Natural healing. What's natural healing? So nobody takes care of her.
They don't take care of it.
그렇죠. 어? 이게 뭘 한다고 이걸로 치는 뭘 실로? 여기서 어른들이 이제 이 큰 돌들을 깨서 절로 운반을 하면 저쪽에서 아이들이 저 조그만 아이들 지금 막 3살, 4살 된 애들이 망치를 들고 이걸 깨는 거예요. 하루 종일. 하루에 많이 벌 때 1불 한 사람들. 많이 벌면.
And this is what has been happening.
I see. Miriam, can you show me where you stay, where you sleep?
Here.
This is your bed.
Yes.
I see. Miriam, did you have breakfast today?
No.
No? Are you going to have lunch today? No. How many meals do you eat a day?
One.
One meal.
But
Just one meal a day.
This is the one cassava flour for supper.
Oh, this is cassava flour.
Going to go
So
for
she needs to
supper.
break more stone for tonight,
Yeah.
dinner
If they
tonight.
don't break, they don't have dinner.
Thank you. 아, 좀 정말 이 학교 가고 싶은가 보다. 학교를 다녔는데
Seems like you
그때
really
이제
want to
받은
go to
증서를
school.
보여주는 거예요. She has been
So
good.
this is a certificate
like
he
singing.
should get
Do you like
from the school.
Can you sing one song for me? Can you sing a little song for me?
baby Jesus, baby Jesus, I love you. I love you. You are my savior. You are my savior every day. Every day.
Thank you for your beautiful song. Thank you. What does her prayer to God regarding her children? Has she heard of compassion? Sorry? Does she hope her kids to be involved with compassion? Sponsorship?
Lwaki tewagendayo kunoonya sponsorship?
bagamba mbu bawandiika mu gw'ekkumi anti bakati mbadde nenda omwezi gw'ekkumi gutuuke bagamba bawandiika lumu
Lwaki tewagendayo kunoonya
So
sponsorship?
we are always waiting for the sponsor. We have already waited for 1 year.
I'd like to sponsor her. Okay? Through compassion.
Yanteekedde okumuyamba ayita mwafagana webazaako.
kwongera omukisa
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your coming. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
I'd like to
much.
sponsor her and
Njagala kumuyamba.
and I will sponsor her until she walks out of this poverty.
Twagala
With your
kumuyamba
family.
tuleka mukama alina wabajja mubeko n'awaka wammwe
Okay, so that she can go back to school
asobole okuddayo ku ssomero
and she can learn
asobole okusoma
and she will become a doctor as she wishes.
abe dokita nga bw'asaba.
Miriam, I'll be a sponsor. I'll walk with you.
Bamaze nkoze ekyoba naye tusabire ebyapa gye bikulu.
I love your singing. You're a good singer. I love your smile. 오늘 우리가 이렇게 찍고 그냥 가버리면
So after the filming today,
기회가 없잖아요. 내일 또
like they don't have a future, right?
도움 필요한 애 100만 명 중에
So they need help.
한 명
If I can help one of them,
도와주자는 마음으로 결혼을 안 할 수가 없네요. 저 아이.
I don't have a choice. I must sponsor her
미소가 남아 있고 노래도 남아
just
있어요.
because of her smile, for her song.
모든 걸 다 갖고도
I really want to help her.
감사하면서 살지 못한 거에 대해서 되게 미안하게 생각이 들어요.
So I feel sorry for them, for the children like Miriam.
네, 제가 2012년 저
Yes.
영상을 보고
So
이런 마음이
I-
들었어요.
After watching this
누가
video,
아이들을 좀 도와야 되겠다.
I told myself I need to help the children.
당시 벌써 200명의 컴패션
Because, but it's not easy because I've already sponsoring 200 children. But still, I decided to sponsor more children through compassion. And at last, I sponsor 800 children.
그런데 가수로서 저의 18년 만에
As a singer,
꿈이 이뤄지는 그날
I always wanted to hold a concert, but at the morning of the concert, I recall of this children's I sponsor. They have waited so long for me to help them, and there are so many other children under poverty, under starving to death. So I need to help them. So in 2015, I called Compassion in the morning, and I said I want to sponsor 100 children. So, and then I sponsored 100 children in Indonesia. So in total, I sponsored 1,000 children. So in 2016, I have a chance to meet 30 children that I sponsored. So there's a girl named Sarah. She's 11 years old at that time. She's living in a very poor house that I have to travel 4 to 5 hours to her place. So through Compassion, I sponsor her $35 a month, and I buy her presents. So I buy a present to Sarah, and Sarah takes the present, and she's so happy. So I understand how precious my sponsorship to her, because they are so poor, they really need my help, and they need food. So they want to share the food with their families too. So I buy 2 chicken to them, and then I took 5 hours to go to visit her place. And when Sarah first saw me, she ran to me and she gave me 2 eggs. So at that time, I still remember how touched I am, how moved I am. Because for Sarah, the 2 eggs is all that she has, but she's still willing to give it to me because she treats me as her family. So there are 3 important things in the world. First is cash. So we all love cash, right? 2 is, the second one is salt. So we can buy salt with our cash. And the third one is gold. So in our life, we need to help the others. So the word present, it means now, and also it means a gift. So no one can buy time with money, but we already have the present. So, do you guys love presents? Yeah, we all love presents. We are happy because while we receive the presents. So, we have to give more presents to other children and to bring happiness to them. So, in Korean, when you agree something, you say ne. So, I was born in Korea. I was born in the States, and when the teacher calls me, I always said, present, I'm here. So, which means that I am also a present to someone. So, everyone who is like watching the Success Academy now, you are presents to someone. So, we have to give the grace of life. We have to spread love to other children, so we can be their present too. Thank you. That's it for today. Yes, thank you, Sean, the ambassador of Compassion. So actually, I have a lot of friends who like Sean a lot, and they are very curious how can you be such a nice guy that you are willing to share your wealth with people who needed help. So, and I heard that you're sponsoring 1,000 children. So it's amazing. And I really want to know,
네.
how can you do this? So it's easy because my father is very rich. My father, which means God, because he said we should share the wealth to the others. So that's it. That's why I'm sharing love to the people who is needed help. So I think it's very important to be grateful to life, and there are a lot of things that we should be grateful for. So, but for the children that in poverty, they're starving, and in their life they really need help, and then they really need my love. So I really love to help them. And also I would like to share the message of God, the message of Bible to them, to bring them love and caring.
맞습니다. 예, 그래서 우리
Yes.
션을 보면은
So
션이 얼굴 찌푸리는 것을 한 번도 본 적이 없어요.
when I see Sean, I never see him like angry or he's always happy. He's always so kind. Thank you.
우리 션 홍보대사님 앞으로도 컴패션을 위해서 더 많이
So I hope Sean will continue helping more people. So please give him a round of applause. Thank you.